In the Geoprocessing pane, open the Summary Statistics tool. Set the input table to U.S. states, and name the output table U.S. Minority Totals. Click the Add Many button next to Field to show a list of field names. Check the following: Amer S, Asian, Black, Han Pi, Hispanic, Mult Race, and White. Click Add when finished checking the boxes. Accept Sum as the statistic for each field. Leave the case field blank. Click Run. Leave the tool open when it finishes. Open the U.S. Minority Totals table and examine the statistics.